beautiful chicken. He's running. He's very much running.
4, 3, 2, 1. Go capture the other pig.
So the pig he gets shot in the face. Let's go get the other pig. Oh. Got him.
First blood.
Got him. First blood. Oh, escort. We got to escort the little piggy. Smack you right in the booty hole. You suck. Freaking ugly ass piggy. Freaking ugly piggy. Do you have a brain? Please just let this guy die.
Double kill.
I don't think the guy that's using the pig honestly doesn't not have a brain. As you can see, he's just smacking into things like over there when he was just smacking into the bench. Oh, hello.
Your team scored.
Come here, baby boy. I'm gonna go get the pig. Run. Smack him once. Gotta go get the pig. Gotta go get the pig. No, dude, come on, Trucker. You suck at this. We have acknowledged that you suck at it. You're just gonna hit the bench again. Please do not just hit the bench. Oh my goodness. Just go. Like, no.
Double
No.
kill.
I'm riding it. Oh! Come on, Mr. Piggy. Let's go on a road trip to my base. And it'll protect me. Protect me at all costs.
Crop drop inbound.
Oh, yummy crop drop.
Good job. You
Yes.
brought home the bacon.
I brought. No.
You better stop!
Come here, boy. Smack you one second. Smack y'all again. And
Double
stop.
kill.
Return. I got it. Go get that pig. I got the shotgun. You're going to die. No, sassy. We've acknowledged that you suck at this. Okay, no, I don't know about this guy. This guy might be pretty good. Oh gosh, no. Why'd you just get off the horse? Why'd you just get off the pig, not a horse? I'm stupid. Protect me. My pig got shot in the booty. For some reason, it has not been phased by getting shot.
Victory!
Oh, I got the win. Oh, yes. Spinny. Gotta emote. Gotta do the harmonica. Oh, dang it. I didn't have freaking time. My goodness. Ooh, baseball. I'll be back in the next round.
4, 3, 2, 1. Get those tongues off my farm.
It's the next round. I don't know why I wasn't talking before. Where are you, baby boy? Oh, I see him. Oh, dang it. I thought that was a guy. Never mind then. I guess I'm just dumb. Oh, I see you. Oh, you ain't gonna get me. Come here, boy.
Why are you running?
Come here,
Why are you
baby boy.
First blood.
Got him. First blood. What is that guy doing? He's just jumping. No, stop. Stop moving. I want the shotgun. Whap! If I shot something right there, then that would have been sick if I shot a guy. Where are you? Oh, I found ya. Oh, I found ya. Where are you? Where'd he go? He just disappeared. I want that. He literally just did. Oh, I found him. Oh, he did. Oh, dang, I missed. Oh, I hear bombs. Oh, okay. That guy had the launcher. I don't know what the frick it's called. Upside down. Oh, gotcha. I killed a man. I killed a man. Ah! Okay, I missed.
I feel some rain coming on. Oh, wait, no, that's just a crop drop.
Come here, boy. Unfortunately, ooh, cracked up. I'm gonna go get it. Looks like it's gonna land in the water, I think. Nope, no, I'm just blind. I guess it's just gonna land right there. No, no. Will not get it. Dot, dot, dot. Oh god, I'm dead. I'm gonna die. No, no, wrong gun. I want this. Yes. Ooh. Double shotgun means more power! Let's go up here. Where is that? The dang door. Ah! Missed. Oh no, I'm dead. I'm probably gonna die. Oh! That was a great shot. Doo doo doo. Oh, here it is. Wow. I'm gonna switch to this because I can go big boom and then maybe do something. I don't know. Let's fly. Fly to the moon. Where are you? This thing is so heavy. Oh! How did I hit that? I thought I was gonna miss that. Got the gosh dang door. I'm gonna do some snipies, boy. Snipey boys.
Bruh.
I missed.
Bruh.
I missed.
Bruh.
I suck. I really suck. Oh, never mind. Let's go. Nope, never mind. Come here, boy.
Come get you some crunchy, boy.
Harvest. Why won't it let me harvest? My goodness. It's just. There we go. Finally. There's the dang door. Ah! Oh. Wow.
Double kill.
Oh. Wow. I'm at 2 hearts. Probably gonna die. I shouldn't, because that's gonna be terrible. Because then I'm gonna be dead. Which then I'm putting down my
Crop
team.
drop is here.
Oh, I found a boy. I'm gonna catch you on fire. Why are you running? Come here. Got him. Ah. Oh, come here, boy. Come get you some crunchy, boy. Oh, get on fire. Oh, frick. Oh, no. Oh, frick. Die, die. What do you mean assist? I was literally on fire the whole entire time.
Man,
oh,
I'm
and
dead.
I'm dead. Wow. Oh, hello, little elf. No, it's not elf. That's a gnome. I don't see anybody. They're all scared. They all are hiding. Oh, I found a person. Oh, got it.
Minute left to go.
Let's go get another kill. Do. Let's go get another kill. Do. Okay, I'm gonna try and do like a little trick shot thing. Again, see if I can do it. Oh, I see a guy. Oh, I didn't jump. Come get you some crunchy, boy. Oh, dude, that hit.
30 seconds left.
Oh no. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. Oh no, okay, I'm not on fire anymore. Come here, boy. No, I died.
Man, I'm
By
dead.
Shoob. Probably the best gun is their team. I'm trash. Come get you some.
I feel some rain
Punch,
coming
boy.
on. Oh, wait, no, that's just a crop drop.
Oh, crap up. Here, I'm gonna try one of these. The
Victory!
Okay, well, that's the end of this video. And goodbye.